Mr. Speaker, Senator Mutinda has raised very pertinent issues as far as the issue of infestation of the crop in regards to the issues of pests and all that. And I come from this point whereby, Mr. Speaker, this House was able to pass my bill, that is the Agricultural Extension Services Bill, currently in the National Assembly, Mr. Speaker. Because Honorable Mutinda clearly talks about trying to understand the services that should be rendered by the agricultural extension officers. And I rise, Mr. Speaker, to emphasize that the critical role of the agricultural extension officers to each and every county in this country is very critical. And it's the high time that the National Assembly speeds up this particular bill, because this is what is going to sort the issue that Honorable Mutinda has been able to raise, not only for muguka as a product, but for many other crops that cut across. I know very well that muguka is one of the cash crops in the region of Embu, Meru, cutting across the eastern, the Mount Kenya east. And it goes a long way, Mr. Speaker, as far as economic factors are concerned.